Today I'm going to go ahead and show what my standard EDC is, starting with watch, just the Casio G-Shock Mudman. On the other hand, elastic paracord bracelet in the ACU. I'll go to keys, car keys, little keys, little Swiss Tech, a pea lighter, a mini pry bar, the Zebra F301, a little bit of electrical tape taped on the bottom. This one has the Fisher Space Pen insert. We got a Streamlight keymate, again with some electrical tape on the side. The key knife, it's a Spyderco Kiwi. Okay, and then right back pocket, have a Leatherman Juice 2, Leatherman Juice S2, with a couple. I use to connect to my what's it called? Belt loop paracord. A couple S-beaners. This one is the bottle opener version. Okay, and the left back pocket, a moleskin notebook with the rubber band around it, and just a handkerchief. Okay, we move to the front left pocket. We get the Streamlight Stylus Pro. Oh, this one has the Phoenix head, so it has different modes. And also, front left pocket, Ruger LCP with the extra magazine. With the right front pocket, have my wallet. This has a Spyderco Cricket for a money clip and the Fisher Space Pen. Excuse me. We also have a little mini Bic, some electrical tape wrapped around it. And then for my knife, my people-friendly knife, the case, Butterbean, a 2-blade case, and my main EDC knife. Today's the Ontario Rat Model 1. Secondary is the Rat Cutlery or ESEE Azula. This with my own ACU paracord handle wrap. And well, the sheath is still attached to my belt. I'm not going to take that off. And that's pretty much my standard EDC. Usually I carry a excuse me. Usually I carry another firearm, usually like a Glock 19, Glock 22. Today I went kind of light and just carried the Ruger. And that's it. Thank you. Okay, and I also forgot to mention the phone I'm using today. It's my iPhone 4, which I'm actually is not going to be shown because I'm using it to film this video.